Learn English with LELTA Tunes.
Good morning.
Good morning, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
Are you going to work now?
Yes, I am. I have a busy day today.
I see. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
See you later.
See you. Bye. Now it's your turn. Practice this conversation.
You can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more LELTA Tunes.
Let's go explore.
Okay, this way. Race you to the tree. You're on.